Good, thank
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Likewise.
So this is a brand of spices called Lord and Lion, and they're the highest grade of spices anywhere. So most people think cumin is brown. It's not. It's actually green, and most people don't see it like that because of the oxidization and sitting on shelves. And so that's how fresh it is. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it smells completely
Yeah.
different.
Wow.
This is a hand smoked paprika.
Oh,
Everything
can I
is
get
hand smoked
Oh,
and
thank you.
handmade. The entire range is beautifully handmade, hand packed. The jars are even hand printed.
Wow.
Everything just to ensure, you know, thoughtfulness, quality, slow production, yet
And
really
process.
fast because
Yeah.
from farm to jar is 24 days.
Oh, wow.
Our cinnamon is the
This-
purest, highest grade of cinnamon. We grow these on our family's plantations in Sri Lanka. They are Alba grade, and which is the highest grade, and each of these is 3 pounds. And we've hand ground them into a full jar of Ceylon cinnamon, and it's available here. The reason Ceylon cinnamon is amazing is because it's a natural sweetener. It reduces inflammation and also it's good for blood pressure and blood sugar as well. Turmeric is a completely different colour to what people are used to seeing. It's a little
Nice.
bit dull or like that.
Yeah, this is
See
bright.
how
Yeah,
bright and
yes.
colourful it is.
Yeah.
And our turmeric has no lead in it. So turmeric tends to absorb lead from the ground. This is pure lead-free. It's amazing, and everyone should have a little bit of that in
Sure.
their diet every
Oh,
day. A
yeah.
little bit
It's
of
also
curry
nice and vibrant. I love the colours all the way around. Yeah, it's unbelievable.
And the curry powder is sensational. It's a Sri Lankan curry powder.
Oh, wow.
Smell of that.
Yeah.
And we use that. So easy to use.
Geez,
You just,
smell that.
you
That's
just
amazing.
use 2 teaspoons of that. And that's
Just
it.
punch in your mouth or just
Half a kilo
in.
of fish, chicken, whatever. Veggies, 2 teaspoons, onion, ginger, garlic. Mix that all in, and then a little bit of water so it doesn't have to burn, and then you finish it off with a bit of coconut milk, a bit of salt.
Yeah, you're making me salivate now, man.
And you're South Africa, right?
Yeah, of course.
the
We
South
love
Africans
the
it's like
curry.
the darling,
Awesome. Oh, that's
We
fantastic.
have a beautiful range, and they do really well. Yeah.
No, thank you. You did that absolutely fantastic.